Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you love snuggling up with a blanket, you are going to love this throw from Cozy Bliss. It is soft and squishy and so comfortable to use, not just on the front side with these super soft fabric pieces, but also on the back. Both sides are so luxurious. Once you start using this blanket, you're never going to want to get up from wherever you are sitting or laying. I got the throw size in sage green. This is a really nice light green color that goes with a lot of different aesthetics. And I love that I can just throw it in my washing machine and dry it in my dryer, especially after one of my pets has been on it. It just makes it really easy to keep it clean and smelling nice. This is lightweight and easy to carry around. In fact, we love taking it outside when we're playing cards and there's a little bit of chill in the air. This is warm and is going to keep you feeling nice and cozy. There's a lot of different colors that you can get this blanket in, and it would make a perfect gift for someone. They are just gonna love it. This is definitely my go-to blanket anytime there's a chill in the air, and that's my point of view.